I am walking away from a successful business. For years, many of you have known me through immigration consulting. और ज़्यादातर लोगों ने मुझे तब पाया when you were at one of the most important crossroads of your life. You were thinking about your future, your family's security, whether to stay where you were or take the leap to build something new somewhere else like in Canada, US or UK. आप लोगों ने मुझे उन दो डिसीजंस के अंदर ट्रस्ट किया, अपने सपनों के लिए, अपने प्लान्स के लिए, अपनी लाइफ के नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के लिए. And I never took that trust lightly. That business grew successfully. It created real impact. It gave me respect in the industry, deep experience working with thousands of people, and perspective I couldn't have gotten any other way. सबसे ज़्यादा importantly, it helped me achieve major personal goals I had set for myself years ago. उनमें से सबसे बड़ा एक गोल था कि मुझे अर्ली रिटायर होना. बाय द एज 35 आई वांट टू बी रिटायर्ड सो एज आई कैन स्पेंड मोस्ट ऑफ माय टाइम विद द फैमिली एंड चिल लाइफ जी सकूं. Not just talking about it, but actually doing it. And I actually did it. Last full year, I stepped back from that daily grind. I spent that time in India with my family. No client calls interrupting dinner, no weekend emergencies, no constant phone buzzing. Pure focus, pure presence. And let me tell you what that freedom did to me. जब आप डेली chaos से फ्री होते हैं ना, something powerful happens. That noise goes down, your mind clears, you stop reacting to urgency and start thinking about purpose. You ask yourself better questions. What have I really built? क्या मेरी लाइफ का नेक्स्ट फेज होगा? What kind of business actually makes sense in this new season? That time gave me clarity I did not expect it at all. It made me realize that जो immigration का चैप्टर है ना, उसने अपना पर्पस सर्व कर दिया हुआ है. It helped people move forward. It helped me learn systems. It helped me serve clients, build trust. But now I see something bigger that needs attention. Let me explain why I'm making this shift now. Of course, I'm posing new immigration clients for now. This isn't a casual decision. मैंने बहुत इसके बारे में सोचा, बहुत डीप डाइव किया, क्या इसके मायने हो सकते हैं मेरे लिए, what would happen to my reputation, my income, the people who have followed me for years. But I know this is right. Because here's the truth. I've seen over and over. Changing countries doesn't solve everything. You can move to Canada, Australia, UK, wherever. Geography change हो जाती है, visa status change हो जाता है, bank account change हो जाता है, but your habits, your systems, your daily operating model, those usually stays the same. And I've watched bright people land in new countries full of hope. They slowly get trapped in the same patterns. हर रोज वही 12-14 घंटे काम करना, मैनुअल फॉलोअप्स लेना बिजनेस के अंदर, scattered notes and लाइफ के अंदर, no leverage, hustling harder but not growing smarter. स्टूडेंट्स वर्कर्स बन जाते हैं, वर्कर्स परमानेंट रेजिडेंट्स बन जाते हैं, परमानेंट रेजिडेंट्स बिजनेस ओनर्स बन जाते हैं, but the underlying chaos follows them. The same inbox overwhelm, the same content struggles, the same admin nightmares. Different country, but frustration very same. That's the gap what I want to solve now. Because the world has changed dramatically. 2026 isn't 2020. अब buzzword तो रहा नहीं है. It's an infrastructure. Businesses that don't build around it will definitely struggle. Even the smart founders who hustle hard get left behind when competitors use systems that multiply out. Couldn't keep doing immigration consulting like that bigger problems exist. Processing forms felt very smaller than the real opportunity to help people build freedom through better systems. And that's how, and that's why, and that's exactly why AI5 exists now. AI5 isn't just another AI company. It's built from everything I've learned about real business pain. It's for business owners and professionals who need AI in daily life, not as some fancy add on, but actually an operating system. Let me paint the picture. Imagine you're a working professional, not a tech expert, a normal working professional, and just someone with a job, maybe a side hustle, and family responsibilities. Now imagine having six AI employees working for you every day. One that handles your content creation, one manages on your behalf to find no new jobs and do networking on LinkedIn so as आपको referrals मिल जाए, one that takes all the admin tasks off your plate, and one that writes blogs, emails, and updates on your behalf, and there's one more who actually takes your calls and communication, and lastly one that you can rely on to have any legal documents, paperwork being handled. And this is not a science fiction. That's where we are headed, and it's coming faster than people think. For business owners, the stakes are even higher. Solo founders shouldn't work like 10 people. They should direct 10 AI employees. Small teams shouldn't drown in operations. They should leverage AI to punch way above their weight. Repetitive work goes to AI. Strategy stays with the human. ये strategy होनी चाहिए. Chaos becomes clarity and hustle becomes leverage. ये आपका फंडा होना चाहिए. This is deeply personal for me too. That year in India showed me what life can be when business serves you instead of owning you. Family dinners without checking email, morning without urgency, space to think about legacy instead of logistics. I want that for other founders now. I want that for professionals now. I want businesses that give freedom, not chains, not something जिसको opportunity के नाम पे आपको you're getting stuck in that loop again and again. So the immigration chapter is paused for now. The systems chapter begins. AI5 is that bridge. From manual chaos to intelligent leverage, from location changes to life changes, what's next in this journey? So I'm building this AI5 live. You'll see the systems, you'll see the tools, you'll see the AI team running these operations, and you'll actually have the frameworks also जो इसमें काम कर रहे हैं. This is not theory, this is execution. If you have been with me through immigration, thank you for that, but stay for this. And if you are a founder feeling the weight of manual work, this is for you. And if you are a professional wanting more leverage without more hours, pay attention. You can join the newsletter, which I am personally sending out to people. That link is in the description. I'll shape every step of building AI pies, the tools, the workflows, the real results. And of course, this is how we build the future. Smarter, not harder. What's